All right, so today we're going to unbox this. If you're not sure what that says, neither am I, but I do know there's a tent inside. So, a tent from Temu. How good can it be? How bad can it be? Let's find out. All right, so it does measure out true to what it said. Be sure to check the measurements before you buy any of these tents because some of them are very tiny and the price is pretty attractive. So this one here was actually on a clearance price. I paid about $24 for it. It took a little over a month to get here, but overall it seems okay on the inside. The material seems kind of weird to me. It could be because it's 40 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to be an all-season tent. I'm not 100% sure. It does have a front door and a back door and 2 windows, so plenty of ventilation. I think they regularly sell for about 45 to 50 depending on the seller on Temu, but you got to make sure that you're getting the right measurements. Some of them are seriously only like 3 feet wide, and if you're getting a tent for you and your family or even you and someone else, that's probably not going to work. So overall it's pretty lightweight. I'll spray it with some kind of water repellent stuff, like Scotch Guard or something like that, to see if that helps. It's supposed to be waterproof, windproof. It says it's a 4-season tent. And I have my questions about a lot of things that are said on Temu. I may come out here later in the evening and see what it's like inside of it once it gets colder. So I'll bring you up close to check out some of the specs of it real quick. So while it does not have a rainfly, it seems like it would be okay as far as water not getting in. The only thing I wonder about is the potential for puddling right here because the top of it is flat. The poles on it seem about the same quality as regular tent poles, I guess, and those are kind of flimsy depending on how you do it. You got little porch areas or whatever you want to call it here. Places to stake it down. Like I said, there's 4 windows on it. You can Velcro that up. You cannot zip it up from the inside though. Overall, for 20 bucks, I guess it's not bad. I did like that part about it. It has the front door and the back door, and I also like the windows for the extra ventilation. Now, it doesn't have the traditional vents on the bottoms like a lot of tents do, so that's probably a benefit of having those extra windows. I put it together in, maybe a minute or so, and taking it down will probably be just as easy. Overall, I think it's okay. I'll try to maybe do a follow-up video to this later on in the year when I get outside and take it somewhere and test out how good it is in the rain. It's supposed to maybe snow in the next week or so here. Maybe I'll bring it out in the snow and I'll just kind of fill you in on that.